Hello everyone, welcome back to BG Tech channel. Here on this channel, we teach different tutorial on how to make money online, different tools for working boys, different crypto flashing method. If you need flashing method, crypto for any crypto wallet, just DM and get yours. And make sure you join our Telegram channel, our WhatsApp channel for more updates. Yesterday, I dropped a video on 9Proxy, you understand, because of the PR supply proxy is no more working. So I dropped a video about it. I dropped two videos on how to use it on laptop and how to use it on phone. You understand? The video I dropped about how to use it on phone, you can't use it without laptop. You need to have laptop. But in today's video, I will teach you guys how you can also use it on your phone without laptop. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to your Chrome or any browser and search for 9Proxy. You start. Go to their 9proxy.com. This is their website. You start. Register an account. Just create an account. You start. Once you have created, an account, you start. Here on this interface now, you just log in. You see where they give you your profile. This place now you can see I'm signing to my account already. So once you click the logo, you see this dashboard, my account, and sign out. So just click on dashboard this time. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, once you're on this interface now, I want to show you guys something. There is what we call IPS and there's what we call GB. This IPS is different from GB, you understand? This IPS is just like normal IPS. If you want to load it, like you'll be using if you want to use your IPS. The video I make yesterday, you understand? Let me break it down. The video I make yesterday is about IPS. You understand? It's about IPS. You can use your IPS on your laptop. Mostly it's good for laptop. If you want to use it on phone, you need to use the IPS, connect it with your laptop. But today's video, I'm teaching you another method. This GB now is a way you can use it on phone. Very easy to use. So if you want to use it also, you need to load the CD key. There's CD key for it also. There's CD key for IPS and there's CD key for GB. You understand? There are two is available. Understand? So if you want to load any CD key of the two, all you need to do is just come to this. Let me go back. Just come to these three dots. You understand? Once you log in your details, click on your profile, come to these three dots. Then you see this different interface here. Click on this share code. You understand? Once you click on this share code, this is where you redeem your CD key. Even though you want to redeem for your IPS, you understand? Once you put the code here, they will automatically give the code to IPS. If it's IPS, they will give it to IPS. If it's GB, they will give it to GB. You understand? The GB is just like your mobile data. You know, if you buy mobile data, they tell you 2 gig, 1 gig, all those things. So that one is working like mobile data. You understand? This GB that I have now is 0.98 gigabyte. Is I have 1 gig before. It's 1 gig. This thing I bought before. So it's because I'm using it. Once you connect to it like this, they will start moving it and start moving it. That is how this GB works. So if I want to load my CD key now, just click here. I will paste it. This is my CD key. You understand? Then I'll click on redeem code. So you see that I've redeemed another 1 gig to the one that is there before. You can see that is how you can load your CD key. Once you load your CD key now, so the next thing is to generate your IP. You understand? So that you can connect using your phone. You understand? The only way you can connect using your phone easily, that is the only way I'm telling you, is buying this GB data plan. You understand? Buying it, you buy the CD keys available also. You understand? So once you load it, you just click on these three dots. You understand? Then you come to this GB. You understand? Once you click on this GB, you click on the GB. So once you click on the GB, all you have to do is click on get proxy. You understand? You want to generate our proxy. So once you hit the generate proxy, you understand? I'll be dropping video on the whitelist IPS. You understand? The one we want to focus on is this user, password, and authenticator. That means after you generate the proxy, you come with user, password, and authenticator. But firstly, as a first timer, you see this interface. you see this that way, then you click on this add new. There's this add new here. You need to configure your own proxy, you understand? So you need to click on add new, you understand? Just click on add new. Once you click on add new, then you put your username, you understand? You put your username. Let me just put my username. Then you can set your password too. So you set your password, then this allocation, you understand? You can leave it, can leave the allocation like that. Then DGB, you can just put on one gigabyte, you understand? You can just put on it on 1 gigabyte. Okay. So here now you now click on add sub user. Once you have click on that add, you now set your country. You understand? The country you want to use the IP. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using United States. You understand? You can use any country. You can configure your IP to different country. You understand? So let me use United States. United States. Then this state now, you can choose your state. You can choose your state. I'll just change it to ISP. You understand? I'll be using. Let me check whether there is a Verizon Business ISP here. So just like this will give you access to, okay, Verizon Business. Verizon. So this is a Verizon Business there. So let me just display. You can change it to sticky IP. Then here, just write 120 minutes. You understand? So once you are done with that, you are good to go. So all you need to do is go to your super proxy. You understand? There's app we call super proxy. That app is used to log in all these socks. There's So now you need to download a app called super proxy. It is used to get access to all these socks files. The app is used for getting access to all this your proxy you generated from a site. You understand? So you can use super proxy. There is super proxy for Android and iPhone. The app is available for iPhone. There is Potazo. That one is for iPhone only. You can use it for iPhone only. So the only app I'm using now is super proxy because it's available on App Store and it's available on Play Store. So I'll just go and search for the app. This is the app. It's very easy to download and it's very easy to use. Just search super proxy. Understand? Then this is it. Super proxy. This is the app. Once you download the app, open it. You understand? You see this interface. You understand? This is the IP I connected to before. This one here. I generated from that site. If you want to add new proxy now, just click on add proxy. You understand? You can decide to write let me just, this place is just any name. You can decide to write any name. And just write Verizon Business. You can write United States. You can write your name. That one just, it's just no matter. That is not the most important part. So on this server now, you go to the server. Yeah, you need to change this thing. Firstly, you need to change this thing to that format. You understand? Just choose on this second option, stand, so that you form that format, and they will generate 10 proxy for you. This is 10 proxy for you. You can only see 10. If you just reduce it, they will still tell you to put 10 quantity there. So the only thing we need is only one out of this 10. We don't need all. So all you have to do, you just click on this copy. So once you click on this copy, go to your notepad and copy. They'll give you this is the thing you copy from the site. So all we have to do, you see everything has semicolon. So I told you the only one we need. So because this thing is 10, that is why. So just read the last part and just clear the remaining part. Let me clear so that it won't cause confusion. So let me just clear all this. So this is the only one I need. So like this now, to divide it, just after this semicolon here, you just divide it. So this is the server, this is the port, this is the server here. So I've cleared the semicolon here. This is the username. The username is very long. So it's very long. So just then this is the password. So that is how they generate it for us. So we now go to your you go to your super proxy. It's very easy to use. Go to your super proxy, then the server. This is the server. Just paste it. You see, double click the port. The port is this stand. Okay. So here now you click on username and password because we set our username and password, so we need to put the username. This username is very long, so you need to copy it to use that this place. You just copy it, then you paste it. So the password, you paste it. So you can see it, double check. So once you paste everything, you just click on this save button at the top corner of your right. See the right corner. You just click on the save. Once you save it like this, then you click on start. You understand? Once you click on start, you are connected like this. You understand? So to know if you are connected, just go to word.net. You understand? This is the website you know. Just go to word.net. Understand? So let's refresh the page. So I can see it now. I can see my IP. I can see it United States. So it's very sharp and it's very good to use. It's very fast. It's not like that PR software that will be giving you network error, network issues sometimes. So I think this is okay to use. Understand? So if you enjoyed this video so far, please kindly like and share this video to your loved ones so that they can gain more knowledge about this. You understand? So like this now, you are connected to United States. You grab, so you can use this to go to your any dating site, any site you want to go. You understand? To want to create account. You understand? Just go to the site. It will be easy for you to access the site. You understand? So like this now, you can see we are connected. If you go back to that this thing here, so like this now. So if I go back to this information, now, that is where the GB is. We will not. Okay, let me refresh. This your GB. It will be deducting it small. Understand? They will be deducting it small. It's just like your data. So it's just like your data. That is how it works. They will be deducting it like the way you use your data. The more you use this your GB, the more they will be deducting it. You understand? So it's not like the IPS. IPS just they will deduct it once, so you can use it for 24 hours. But this one, once it started like this, they'll be deducting, like they'll be reducing it small till you finish, just like your mobile data. You understand? That is how it works. If you enjoyed this video so far, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel for more updates. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.